In 2026, I no longer search for government contracts. For me, that's something of the past. And honestly, it's the smartest decision I've made. While other businesses are burning hours and hiring people to find government contracts for them, going through multiple websites and pulling things that might be relevant, might not be, I've got an AI agent that's working the night shift and pulling every single relevant opportunity for me before I even wake up. And by the time I have my coffee, my inbox has an email ready waiting for me with all relevant opportunities specifically for my business. And it saved me so much time and effort. Why am I telling you this? Because if you're still manually searching for government contracts, if you still got someone on your team still actively looking and hunting for government contracts for 2026, then we need to talk. I need that changed for you. And that's my goal for this video. The old way is costing you more than you think. If you're still going on whatever tool you use or a government website and you're manually searching, on average, you're going to spend 10 to 15 hours per week manually doing these searches. Most likely because you're doing this manually, you're not perfect. So you're missing a lot of opportunities. What that means is there's a lot of revenue left behind. I no longer go on SAM.gov, for example, click on contracting opportunities, come here, put the set aside, and then put the place of performance, and then try and do NAICS code search, and then maybe try and do keyword search. Then go through one of these opportunities and try and read this long description. This is a short one, and then if there are attachments and try and read those just to see if it's a relevant opportunity for me. And then don't forget, if we're talking about state and local, I have to go to the state, go to the website, figure out their system. And we're not just talking about one website. If you want to track risk procurement websites within your county or your state, we're talking about thousands of websites. You probably have half of your day spent on this, or if you're not, then you're missing a lot of relevant opportunities, or you've hired someone, most likely they're not doing good enough job, I'm sorry to say that, compared to the AI agent I'm going to show you. Because doing this in 2026 is too much work and it's not worth the cost, and most likely costing you money, as I've mentioned. So what I want to show you is the system that is saving me so much time, which is it searches every relevant opportunity, gets pulled in, and then the AI agent looks into my company profile and sees if this opportunity is relevant or not. And if it is, it makes a breakdown, a report for me, why it's relevant. And if it's not, it just discards it completely. And then from there, I just have to review them, see the results. My only job at that point is just to review and decide. I get the AI searches, I get all the results with report why they match my company specifically, not a generic response. And then I review them every morning. It takes me a few minutes. And then I decide what I like, I add to my pipeline. What I don't like, I skip. And that's that. It takes me a few minutes, but I know for a fact every relevant opportunity, every government contracting opportunity that's relevant to me is in my inbox. And I just live my day happily. I don't have to spend so much time looking for government contracts, being told you missed this, getting emails from other companies, from my partners, and tell me, hey, you missed this. None of that happening. My pipeline, I own it. I have daily intel delivered to my inbox on a daily basis. So without further ado, let me show you what that looks like. The system I'm talking about is SAM Search. The first step with that is building a company profile for my business. So I could put in here my company website, and based on that, it will generate my business description. If I only work in a specific region or geography or state, it will highlight those as well. What business certification or government certifications I have. If I'm a woman-owned business, service-disabled business, 8A, HubZone, etc. My NAICS codes, my product service codes, what keywords I want to track, what keywords I want to avoid, what are my deal makers, what are my deal breakers, and then I've uploaded all of my documents, so my past performances, my capability statement, all of that information in my company profile. And then based on this, there's an AI agent that goes and does searches across tens of thousands of government contracting websites for me, all the way from forecasted opportunities, active opportunities, state and local opportunities, federal opportunities, subcontracting opportunities, all in my inbox. And on top of that, as I've mentioned, when I get an opportunity, I get the label, I get the title, I get the summary, I get the match score, so how much it matches my company. And then what's important is it tells me why it matches my company specific. So this is a medical imaging equipment. The business I have right now is a medical surgical contracting business. So it tells me this matches your company because of X, Y, and Z. And then if I click on view analysis, which will be sent in my email, I get why it matches, what could be a potential misalignment, and what things I need to verify. Now, based on that information, I could start journey, add it to my pipeline, which I'll show you my pipeline in a bit. If I don't like it, I dismiss it, and that's that. One thing I'd like to mention is that this system learns from your behavior. So if you tell it, I like this opportunity, I want to see more of it, it's a good match, it will show you more of this. If you don't like it, not a fit, it will show you less of it. So by a few weeks, you've trained it to know exactly what opportunities are relevant for you, and you'll only receive those only. Now, every day I get this feed, and as you can see, here are the sources that we are tracking. The federal government, obviously, so you don't have to search on SAM.gov, BIEE, DIPS. State and local, there's 8,000 plus procurement websites that we track across the country. So that should be super easy for you as well, all in one place. Recompete, so government contracts that are expiring and have high likelihood of being competed again. Forecast, government agencies saying we plan to spend this much on this specific product in the next 6 to 18 months. Subcontracting opportunities, businesses that won large government contracts and have a subcontracting plan and they need to subcontract to smaller businesses. All of these in my inbox. And I just have to review them and then add them to my journey. And then from there, in my journey, I have an overview of all of the opportunities I'm tracking, all the way in assessment, in progress, the one that I have submitted a response for, the one I have won, the one I have lost. And then with each one of these, let me show you an example. I can view the original opportunity, I can break it down, I could chat with it, I can assign my team tasks on what exactly they need to do, share the documents, figure out what are the requirements, figure out if we have what it takes to bid on this. And then I get a complete and full compliance matrix that tells me exactly what are the key requirements that are needed specifically for this opportunity. And then based on these requirements and my company documents, I'll be able to generate a proposal. So as you can see here, it's a two-step process. First step is getting all the requirements and generating an outline that hits on all of these points. And then once I sign off on this, I'll be able to have a full proposal ready for me. That's in here. As you can see, I could see all the action items that I have to make sure my bid is compliant. And then whatever I want to change, whatever section I want to change, I could just highlight it. And the chat here on the side knows about my company. So I could say, mention my past performances here. Or you could say, make this short, make this long. Whatever you tell it, it will just pull that information for you and add that section, and it will be super easy for you to modify. As you can see here, it mentioned my past performances. All I have to do is just replace the block, and now it's replaced. Super easy to do that. Now, for example, I can come here, view the opportunity, and then click on the chat, and then this will allow me to talk to all the documents in here. So I can ask what are the key requirements, and it will pull that information for me. Even after I receive a recommendation, it's so easy for me to take it from a lead all the way to shredding the documents, seeing what are the key requirements, to then submitting a bid and going from there. So my pipeline, the workflow that I have, made it so much easier for me to pursue opportunities that are slam dunk relevant for my business. So by the time you're just finding an opportunity, I have a bid out. And that's my messaging. That's what I'm trying to tell businesses, that you might be doing a lot of work that you don't need to do anymore just because AI has dominated this space and you need to get on board. Very few companies are doing this. Again, I've always talked about SAM Search. I think it's the best. And if you want to get SAM Search for you or your team, make sure to check the link in the comments. I'll pin the link and you can talk to me or one of my team members and see how we've helped other businesses make a lot of money in the government contracting space. Let's just put it that way, and show you the exact way how we can build a strong sales pipeline for you and your team. So you're not just exploring the government contracting space, you actively have a pipeline and you're pursuing opportunities and talking to stakeholders that are buying what you sell. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. And as I mentioned, if you want to talk to me or one of my team members, click the link below and you'll be able to book a demo with us. All right, bye-bye.